Stop stashing your cash under the mattress. Learn how to pick the perfect savings account instead. All right, let's talk money, specifically savings accounts. First things first, what's the difference between a checking and a savings account? Checking accounts are like your financial hub. Money goes in and out for everyday expenses. Savings accounts, on the other hand, are designed to help your cash grow over time. So, what should you look for in a savings account? Number 1, interest rates. The higher the rate, the more your money grows. Make sure to compare rates from different banks. Number 2, fees. Watch out for monthly maintenance fees or minimum balance requirements. These can eat into your savings. Number 3, accessibility. How easy is it to transfer money in and out? Some accounts offer better online and mobile banking options. And finally, consider any extra perks. Some accounts come with cool features like automatic transfers, goal tracking, or even bonuses for signing up. So there you have it. Keep these tips in mind, and you'll be well on your way to picking the perfect savings account. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button so you never miss out on more money-saving tips. Thanks for watching, and happy saving!